Cynosure. Focus, heart, hub. Anything or anyone that attracts a lot of interest. The clock tower is the cynosure of the town. People come from miles to see it. Memory trick. Cyno reminds of center. A landmark is a cynosure. Remember, it said anyone. So someone who's being really silly and attracting a lot of interest could be the cynosure of the class. So the cartoon to go with cynosure is right here. I don't need the book to know it's a cynosure. So they're putting like dinosaur, cynosure to help you remember how to pronounce it. And remember, it's something that's going to attract a lot of interest. So if there was this big model of a dinosaur sitting around that would have your interest, you would be looking at it. It'd be in the center of the room. It would be the cynosure of the room. I hope this helps.